Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to insert a checkbox in Google Docs. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to insert a checkbox in Google Docs. When you are in Google Docs, click Insert. After that, click Special Characters. And then here in the search bar, just you can type check, and you can see here different style of checkbox. For example, this one, and you have this one, you have this one. Okay, you have here a different style, and other things you can do, just highlight the text and then go here, checklist, click on it, and here you can click in this arrow and then select the style you want. For example, this one, and here you can check or uncheck the box. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to insert a checkbox in Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.